Trial court has given 30 days time for a judicial remedy, and therefore there is no hurry. Section 151 of the Representations of the People's Act provides that whenever there is a vacancy, we have to do the by-election in 6 months' time. So this says, shall be held within a period of 6 months from the date of the occurrence of the vacancy. So vacancy has occurred and has been reported on 23rd 3/23 to us. So we have 6 months' time to do that election. And the second proviso also says of the section that remainder of the term of a member in relation to a vacancy is less than 1 year, then election will not be held. In this case, this is more than 1 year. So, as I mentioned, we have cleared the vacancies till February. And in this case, the trial court has given 30 days time for a judicial remedy. And therefore, there is no hurry to do it before exhausting that particular remedy which the Honorable Trial Court has afforded. We'll take a call after that.
चाहे मुझे सदस्यता मिले ना मिले, मैं अपना काम करूंगा। अगर ये मुझे परमानेंटली डिस्क्वालीफाई कर दें तो भी मैं अपना काम करूंगा। अगर मुझे रीइंस्टेट कर दें तो भी मैं अपना काम करूंगा। मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता मैं पार्लियामेंट के अंदर हूं या बाहर हूं, कहां हूं। इट मेक्स मी नो डिफरेंस। I told them, it makes me no difference if I'm disqualified, not qualified, whatever. It makes me no difference. Disqualify me for life. Put me inside jail. I will keep going. I will not stop.